IDC for whatever interest was taken care of. NMDC is the mining contractor, supposedly, who said, I will not be doing the mining
No,
part.
we have withdrawn the...
I'm continuing. Let me complete it.
No, NMDC na anymore.
आणि सबकॉन्ट्रॅक्ट करता म्हणून सांगितलं न्ही तांणी स्वतः घेवना सबकॉन्ट्रॅक्टर अपॉइंट करता
NMDC's authority has been withdrawn and it is now been given to, if I am not mistaken, Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation for exploiting.
Whoever the mining, the issue is not that because mining जे जातले ते तो सप्लाय करतलो पावर डेव्हलपराक म्हणजे KSK Venturesak. तातून गोयचो गव्हर्नमेंट 70 रुपीज मेळटा तो बरो आसा. We are paying 14% ad valorem on the rate to Chhattisgarh government. Plus we are giving them 37.5 megawatts to Chhattisgarh government because we are getting the thing. Speaker sir, हातून म्हाका विचारपाचें आसा हातून हे सगळे
नाही
I'll just ask the question मागीर तुमी सांगात. म्हाका विचारपाचो आसा येदो व्हडलो जो इश्यू आसा इतलो सायलंटली कित्याक हँडल जाला. दुसरें हे जे हाका कन्सल्टंट अपॉइंट जाल्लो येदे व्हडले तुमी जिओलॉजिकलाक 8.9 crores you are paying for a geological report, then how much money you are appointed?
आम्ही एकही पैसे खर्च करू ना. आम्ही खर्च करू ना.
आज न्ही
डिले
खावच्यापेक्षा तू आज अशें घातलो फाल्यां अशें खावचें पडटा.
डिले ह्या गव्हर्नमेंटाक जावना.
Kendra Sarkar question is not whether question is not my investment today, Speaker sir. Question is would it have been beneficial?
First,
let him answer. Would it be beneficial?
First, let me answer the question. It has 3 ministries involved. The question has gone to Industries Minister because IDC is involved. But it has a mining concept and it has a power concept. So it has 3 department involvement. I will answer whatever he is asking. कारण सगळ्यो गजाली हातून ना थोडे power sector बरोबर deal जाता because PPA is being dealt with power department, not with the IDC.
Because I'm making a charge that there has been some issues in this which I will give to Honorable CM. There is a scam, I can say, in this particular coal block issue with the earlier government. Our charge karta, Speaker sir, and again I'm asking whether this government will appoint the same task force or any committee who has been a part of this investment to study this report. Gala committee to consultant घालून आशिल्लो जाल्यार.
Speaker sir, ताणे उत्तर दिला पळय ताजेर हांव ताका एकूच उत्तर सांगता की जेन्ना पळय फाटल्या खेपा फाटल्या गव्हर्नमेंटान तें सगळें केल्लें त्या वार I had intervened and whatever I could do I did, and that was the rate which was agreed to be given to IDC that time was 35 rupees. When I intervened, the company which was is going to supply power, they agreed to pay 70 rupees. It is on record that there was a meeting held and I said that even 70 is less, but since these people had... 1 minute, I'll complete. Since these people had already signed all agreements, the only thing, this same thing happened with broadband. ताज्या पयलीं Relianceचे जाल्ले, मागीर broadband, where I intervened, the cost to the government was reduced to 400 crores from 2,400 crores. आयज मरतले आसले आमी. Same thing happened with this. 35 rupees 70 rupees increase केले, but that was not the full solution. There are some grey areas. However, since the matter is with CBI, we don't intend to do anything in the matter. We have handed over all files to CBI. Supreme Court is monitoring. Let them find out what kind of irregularity. After they complete, if we have to complete within our area, we'll take up the task. But multiple ekachwar investigation, I think is not a right way of doing.
2012 वो पावर येवपाचो आशिल्लो 2013 जाली आता 2014 जाली.
पावर येवन ना एकाच कारणा खातीर
आणि 2 वर्सां येवचो ना वतात म्हणटा.
ना
2016
हांव ताका पोझिशन सांगता. 2000 पावर तो एकाच गजाली खातीर येवन ना. सुप्रीम कोर्टान जेन्ना सगळे कोल हे ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स काडून CBI कडेन दी म्हणले पळय त्या वेळार त्या मायनीचे जे पळय एग्रीमेंट जावंक जाय ते एग्रीमेंटाक मातसो खळ बसलो. ताज्या नंतर आमी मॅटर सेंट्रल मायन्स मिनिस्टर पावर डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन हांव उलयलां आनी आय टोल्ड देम दॅट दिस इज अल्टिमेटली अ गव्हर्मेंट कंपनी. So if there is some irregularity, we will take action on that. That is a separate issue. But power plant has been already put up. We are not getting power only because we are not able to supply coal to the company.
Exactly.
If I want, I can buy the power at a slightly higher cost because the power plant is already operational on imported coal. and it is generating 400 megawatt power already. If we want 100 megawatt, we can buy, but since it is imported coal, the price will be around 3 rupees 50 paisa. So I don't want to buy at that high cost. We are waiting for this mining lease. Once the lease is signed, within 2 months, I think 2 to 3 months, the power will be delivered to us.
CBI ची केस जी आसा ती वेगळी घेयात, बट जो इश्यू आसा रिलेटेड टू दीस पर्टिक्युलर प्लॅन फॉर आवर फ्युचर, जो आमकां सध्या पावर जाय फुडली 10-15 वर्सां, विच विल बी हायली डिपेंडंट ऑन दीस कोल इन्व्हेस्टमेंट पॉलिसी.
आमदाराक सांगूंक सोदता, खंयच्योय गजाली एकदा विजिलन्सान गेल्यो की ती गजाल पळय तातूंतल्यान आउटपूट जो येवपाचो आसता तो पयलीं ब्लॉक जाता. गॅप 2 आय वील टेल यू, तो पळय चॅरमॅन थंय बसला, ताका विचार, मिनिस्टराक विचार. गॅप 2 विजिलन्सान वतकूच ताका पेमेंट पार्टीक करता म्हणसर जो नाका शिवड जाला पळय म्हाका, तो हांव जाणा, अदरवायज द प्रोजेक्ट वील कॉलेप्स. हांगा सुद्दां लेट अस डू एन internal inquiry if you want. I will carry out that internal inquiry. Then we will decide whether there is a...
I will give you the papers.
माझ्याकडे आहा सगळे पेपर.
मागीर सगळे आसा.
प्रॉब्लेम सिंपल आहा.
कितें आसा ते आसा, तुम्ही फक्त एक्शन.
प्रॉब्लेम सिंपल आहा. When CBI is looking into, let them look into it.
That is one part, speaker sir. तो एक पार्ट जालो. दुसरो पार्ट very important. तू समज आता रोखडी हाडटलो, रेट आयडेंटिफाय करतलो, जाल्यार something like a task force who has been a part of, take the stakeholders in confidence.
पयली मायनिंग लीज
तांकां घेवन डिस्कशन करून फुडें करूया न्ही. दीस हॅज टू बी फायनलायज्ड आयदर वे.
स्पीकर सर, ताका जर तूं जाय जाल्यार हावजाची एक कमिटी करूं येता. लेट देम गो थ्रू इट, ऑर पब्लीक अकाउंट्स कमिटी आहा किंवा आनीक खंयची आहा, लेट देम गो थ्रू इट. आय हॅव नो ऑब्जेक्शन टू इट बिकॉज इट हॅज नॉट बीन सायन ड्युरींग अवर टेन्युअर. आय एम ट्रायींग टू एन्श्युअर दॅट द प्लांट स्टार्ट्स. वी हॅव नॉट इन्वेस्टेड अ रुपी इन इट.
घालून न पयशे सुद्दां एखादी फायदो जावपाची आशिल्ली इफ कन्सल्टंट वॉज अपॉइंटेड.
हांव ना खंय म्हणटा, पण ही गजाल 2007तली.
ना हांव ताका सांगूंक सोदता की हे प्लांटा पळय डिले जालो ताचें मेन कारण अशें, केंद्रान काँग्रेस सरकार आशिल्लें आनी हे प्रत्येक आमकां परमिशनाक आडयताले. आमी आतां हे आमचें सरकार जें आसा हें आतां म्हणजे खरें काळजांतल्यान काम करता, मनांतल्यान काम करता. 17 जुनाक पत्र सगळें पत्र बरयलें.
तुका सेंटरान परमिशन केन्ना दिलें? स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट छत्तीसगढ.
मायनिंग लीज येवचे न्ही, मायनिंग लीज येवचे आसा.
मायनिंग लीज इज पेंडिंग विथ गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ छत्तीसगढ, नॉट मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया इज गिवन इन 2009.
सीएमान पत्र बरयलें न्ही.
सर 2009 दिला परमिशन. इट इज रॉंग.
सीएमान पत्र
तो सांगता पळय. व्हॉट आय विल डू इज आय विल आस्क विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंट टू गो इन टू द पॅरामिटर्स. And if there is some serious matter, there are some, there are some grey areas in the full. I knew about it. I have raised this issue in 2008. So if there is something substantial found, we will act. But आता प्रत्येक प्रोसिजरान चूक जाली, मेथडॉलॉजी चूक जाली म्हणून आयज आतां दर्या कितें जेवण कूक करता ताचे खातीर नुस्तें हाडपाक बाजारान वचून हाडलें काय ती कोण ती घरा येता तिजे कडच्यान घेतलें. हातून मातशीशी चूक सुद्दां जाली जाल्यार जेवण कूक जाय जाल्यार तें काडून भायर उडोवं. म्हाका फाल्यां पावर जाय. इफ आय गो इन टू ऑल स्मॉल थिंग्स देर मायट बी सम प्रोसिजरल एरर्स ऑल्सो. आय एग्री विथ यू, देर आर प्रोसिजरल एरर्स. आय एम अवेर ऑफ द इशू. बट इफ आय गो into it now after investment of 600-1000 crores, it is we who will suffer more than the other party.
We can because still take some corrections power. Not to lose further in future.
No, we will not lose. As I told you, because of my intervention, if you want, you can, if you have taken all documents, there will be record of a meeting with Chief Secretary, Sardarji Ashulanna. Chief Secretary, in my meeting, it was agreed to increase the rate from 35 rupees to 70 rupees. I have already done that as an opposition leader. But in the interest of the state, I did not went, I could have filed a vigilance complaint. If that had happened, the power project would have remained on the ground. Problem is, there is a lot of investment carried out. Some procedural errors are there in expression of interest at the beginning stage, when actually IDC should not have been the agency selected. It should have been done by some other department. These are all wrong things which happened long back. Today, if I try to correct them, the problem will be I will not get power in another 1 month, which I am trying to get. The only hurdle today is Chhattisgarh government, which has to give the lease. If they give the lease, because central government has already conveyed to them no objection, So I hope that they will give the lease in another month or so. Within that, if they give the lease, in 2 months we can get the power. We are short of power today.
IDC document dina, information dina, RTI च्या under.
आम्ही फुडल्या प्रश्नाकडे
तुका कितें information जाय तितले हांव दिता.
फुडल्या प्रश्नाकडे या.
KSK Ventures म्हणटा ते third party.
फुडलो प्रश्न.
Whatever information if you want, if IDC does not give, I will give.
हांव जातल्यान दिल्ले आसा.
मडकयकर
Scam तो.
गैरहजर आसा.
It is 10% or 70 rupees, whichever is higher of the value of coal.
फुडलो प्रश्न श्री विष्णू वाघ.
Extraction costaच्यात. म्हणजे it is not also 70, it is 10%.
आता
फाटल्या सरकारान नाही फाटल्या लोकल तो म्हणटा ते बरोबर म्हणटा तो तुका सांगिना.
अरे हांव पयली गव्हर्नमेंटाचो
आम्ही
तुमच्या
फुडल्या
पयलीच्या
विशयाकडे
government
गेले.
एका जाग्यार कितले उलयतले रे आता.
मुख्यमंत्री.
आता गांवठी भाशेन सांगता.
आम्ही फुडल्या प्रश्नाकडे
He is
गेले.
talking about दिगंबर कामत government.
विष्णू वाघ.
Speaker sir, may be permitted to ask 7C.
7C.
तो फाटल्या सरकाराची उलयता भानगड. तो फाटल्या गव्हर्नमेंट तुका तुजो संबंध
Delay. Speaker sir, we all know that football is a passion. At least in my constituency, football is a religion. Andandre has produced some of the great footballers like Camille, Gonsalves and others. But unfortunately, we don't have a well-equipped playground. Of late, of all the clubs that have been playing in Goa, Goa Vella Sports Club has emerged as one of the major playing clubs now. And it was my long-standing demand that there should be a full-fledged stadium at Goa Vella. I have asked a question to Honorable Minister and he has replied to me that the government proposes to have the playground here. I am also told that the foundation stone was laid on 2 occasions, but the work has not yet started. What are the hurdles in starting this work? I would like to ask the Minister.
Speaker sir, गोवा वेलाचो ग्राउंड आसा. हो ग्राउंडाची मागणी माननीय आमदार बाब विष्णू वाघाची ही खूब फाटल्या 2 वर्सांची मागणी. पण एकंदर जर त्या ग्राउंडा संदर्भात जर पळयलें जर जायत फर्स्ट फेजीचें काम जें आसा की 2008 जवळ 1 कोटी खर्च करून 1,92,00,000 खर्च करून कंप्लीट जाल्लें. आनी त्या नंतर थंयच्या लोकल क्लब्स लोकांची मागणी आयली आनी तातूंतल्यान त्या मागणीनुसार की नवीन प्रपोजल तयार केले आनी नवीन प्रपोजल जालें, नवीन एस्टिमेट जालो, सँक्शन जालें आनी काम सुद्दां सुरू जालें. पण प्रत्यक्षांत पळयतकच लक्षांत आयलें मागीर की TCPचें एप्रुवलच नाशिल्लें त्या वेळाचेर. आनी त्या नंतर परत एकदां सगळें की प्रोसेस सुरू जाल्यो की मागीर ती जी ग्राउंड आसा ती जी जमीन आसा ती जमीन की एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटी खातीर मार्क केला आसा रिजनल प्लॅनांत. आनी त्यामुळे परत एकदां त्या जमनी संदर्भांचो विशय की 16A कमिटी घालून बाकी सगळें करून ती परत लँड एक्विजिशना खातीर TCPन एप्रुवल दिलें. आनी आत्तांचे जे स्टेटस आसा की सेक्शन 4 लायिल्लें आसा आनी इश्यू जाल्लें आसा की 21/11/2013 आनी आतां सेक्शन 6 आमी इमिडिएट लायले नंतर बाकी सगळें प्रोसिजर कंप्लीट जाल्या नंतर ते काम प्रत्यक्षांत टेंडर जावन सुरू करपाक मेळटलें आमकां.
धन्यवाद. पण म्हाका फक्त एकूच जाण जावपाचें आसा की एक्वायर प्रत्यक्ष कितली जमीन गेल्या, कितली स्क्वेअर मिटर एरिया आनी कितली उरल्या एक्विजिशनाची? काय सगळीच उरल्या?
एक्विजिशनाची लँड आसा 2,629 उरलेले आसा.
ओके.
प्रश्नकाल सोंपलो.